Okay, so today I'm going to start talking about lipids. I'm just going to talk about lipids in the general sense right now, and then I'll talk more specifics a little bit later, so I'll break it up as I have been. So, lipids, to start with, I should say, lipids can be a lot of different things. It can be esters, amides, alcohols, cyclic, acyclic, polycyclic. There's lots of different things. They can be lots of structures. There's no common element like there is with carbohydrates or alcohols or a lot of the other things we've looked at. The main connecting piece about all lipids is that they're not soluble in water. They're insoluble in water, but they are soluble in nonpolar organic solvents. So we'll see several different permutations of this. And I'll focus on a few, but the main thing to remember is the major characteristic of lipids is that they're insoluble. So here are a couple structures of lipids. Notice the long chain here on each of these. So it's the long chain that makes them insoluble. It's what makes them lipids. So this is just these are just esters, or rather this whole compound is a triester. Here's a monoester, but they have long chains, which makes them insoluble. So there's 5 categories of lipids. I'm gonna focus on energy storage and membrane lipids. I'll talk a little about some of the others, but mostly energy storage and membrane lipids. And we're gonna keep it pretty general. I'll get into some specifics in the energy storage lipids, but mostly gonna stay pretty general.